A dead car battery can be frustrating, especially if it happens frequently. Several factors can cause your battery to die repeatedly, and understanding these causes can help you find the right solution. One of the most common reasons is leaving lights, radio, or other electronics on while the engine is off. These drain the battery, leading to insufficient charge when you try to start the car. Additionally, short drives prevent the battery from fully recharging, gradually depleting its power over time. Another possible cause is a faulty charging system. If the alternator isn't working properly, it won't charge the battery while the engine is running, leading to a weak or dead battery. Corroded or loose battery connections can also interfere with the charging process, reducing the efficiency of power transfer. Regularly checking and cleaning the battery terminals can help maintain a good connection and prevent power loss. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can also affect battery performance. In cold weather, the battery has to work harder to start the engine, which can quickly drain its charge. In hot weather, excessive heat can cause the battery fluid to evaporate, reducing its ability to hold a charge. Parking in a garage or shaded area can help minimize temperature-related issues. Parasitic drains, such as a malfunctioning electrical component or a faulty relay, can continuously draw power even when the car is turned off. If your battery keeps dying overnight, you may need to test for a parasitic drain using a multimeter. Identifying and fixing the faulty component can prevent further battery issues. Aging batteries naturally lose their ability to hold a charge. Most car batteries last between 3 to 5 years, depending on usage and maintenance. If your battery is old, replacing it may be the best solution to avoid frequent jump starts and unexpected breakdowns. To fix a battery that keeps dying, start by ensuring all lights and electronics are turned off when the car is not in use. Check the battery connections for corrosion and clean them if needed. If the battery is old or weak, consider replacing it with a new one. Testing the alternator and charging system can also help identify issues that may be preventing proper charging. If you suspect a parasitic drain, perform a battery drain test or seek professional help to locate the problem. Additionally, driving your car regularly and taking longer trips can help keep the battery charged. By understanding the reasons behind a dying battery and taking the necessary steps to fix it, you can ensure your car starts reliably and avoid inconvenient breakdowns. Enjoy a worry-free ride by keeping your battery in good shape.